MobileOps is designed to help you manage all aspects of mobile applications lifecycle. In this demonstration, I will show you how you can use MobileOps Crash Analytics to monitor the health of your mobile apps and diagnose crash problems. After you make your mobile apps available to end users and they install them on the mobile devices, how do you make sure that the apps are working properly? Specifically, if the app crashes, how do you find out? And how do you then fix the problems quickly? MobileOps Crash Analytics help you solve these problems. When an application crashes, MobileOps automatically records the crash incident, capture diagnostic information, and upload information to MobileOps server over the air. You can literally find out about crashes that occur on your mobile apps from your end users all over the world within minutes of the incidents, and start taking corrective actions to minimize impact accordingly. What you see here are all the crashes that MobileOps have recorded. One problem with application crashes is that they can happen in swarms, with the same crash happening over and over again. You can literally have hundreds or thousands of crashes coming at you at a time. So how do you make sense of the information that's being captured? MobileOps Crash Analytics solves this problem for you automatically. As crashes are detected and recorded, MobileOps automatically analyzes the crashes to look for duplicates, so you don't have to waste time chasing repeated problems. Each of the crashes that you see here on this table is not a particular crash incident. Each of them is actually a unique crash problem that MobileOps has identified for you automatically. The number of incident column shows the number of times that a particular crash has occurred. So for this crash, which has the ID 54, it happened 37 times. And for this second crash, ID 55, it happened 10 times, and third one 4 times, 1 time, and so on. The number of count on crashes also gives you an idea of the crash impact. A crash that happened more times are likely to have greater impacts to more users. As a result, you can use the number of incidents as a way to assess which problem you should work on first. Now let me drill down to one of these crashes to look at further detail. I'm going to click on ID 54. And for this particular crash, these are the actual crash incidents that occurred. And as we can see, there are quite a few of them. For each incident, you get information on when the crash occurred, the device model where the crash occurred, as well as the operating system version that the app ran on when the crash occurred. You can also get the user ID that owned the device as well. These attributes provide some hints on what may be the problem. If all the crashes are happening on a particular device model or OS version or users, then the problem may be isolated to a particular type of environment, and you can focus your investigation effort accordingly. Let's now try to get to the root cause of the problem. I'm going to click on one of these crash incidents to drill down to the details. And in this case, I can see that this particular crash incident occurred on March 1st on an iPad 2 running iOS 6.1 and impacted this particular user. The crash occurred in the class view controller in the method bad access action, and it was line number 42 in the source file. I can also find out about what the app has been doing by looking at the stack trace of the different threads. And for this particular app, there were 7 threads, and the crash happened on thread 0. And once again, I can see this particular crash occurred on line number 42, and also get the complete stack trace on which particular method was called and the line number where the call occurred. I can also look at the other threads. Sometimes a particular problem may be caused by race conditions in different threads, and this allows me to get a full picture of everything that goes on within the application. Sometimes it's also useful to find out what the user had been doing leading up to the point of the crash. I can find out about this information also. I can go to this session ID link and click on it, and this would take me to the session view. This session view shows me a click-by-click log on what happened in the application. So it looks like that this particular user started the app in portrait mode, and then got into the MOps policy loader view. And then after that, the main view of the application showed up. And the user also tried to change the device orientation a couple of times, and then the crash occurred after that. Okay, so this gives me some more contextual information of what led to the point of the crash. I've just shown you how easy it is to use MobileOps Crash Analytics to monitor and diagnose mobile app crashes. This powerful tool helps you ensure great applications quality and user experience. For more information about MobileOps Crash Analysis, visit our website at www.mobileops.com or contact us at info@mobileops.com.